Hello everyone, I am Kevin from Awesome English in Malaysia. Today we are going to talk about animals. These are animals that can be pets. Pets are animals we have in our houses. They are maybe part of our family or for fun. Okay? So first we have a fish. A fish says nothing. It just swims all day going. This is a rabbit or bunny. A rabbit says. Here we have a dog. A dog says arf, arf, arf. Here we have a parrot. A parrot is a kind of bird. A parrot says, Polly want a cracker, Polly want a cracker. Here we have a snake. A snake says sss, or something like that. Okay? And last we have a cat. A cat says meow. And these are a few more animal vocabulary words. Do you have a pet? What kind of pet is it? Tell someone in English what kind of pet you have. Keep practicing, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.